This is a how to make Bhang, B-H-A-N-G, Carly style. Now, if you look closely, right here we have all kinds of shit. We got cardamom pods, and it is boiling because I'm boiling it down for a specific reason. Now, this is my own version, but it's pretty much on point, and it's gonna be banging. So, it's got chopped up ginger, tons of cinnamon chips, cardamom pods, astragalus, lemon balm. It's been cooking down for a while, so what I'm going to do now is strain it. And I'm just going to do it this way because this is what I'm working with right now. Alright, so this has been simmering for quite a while. The water was filled up all the way, and this thing has a little catcher in it. Alright, so as you can see, all the ingredients, it could still actually be used, but I just want to make this stuff. So, this is where we're going to go from here. See, there's flex. It's okay. It's herbs. It's not going to hurt you. And in order to utilize the rest of this honey, I'm going to pour a little of this in here. Might as well. Oops. It's going to suck to clean up. I'll just clean the floor. Alright. So, we got more honey than we would have had if we didn't do that, and just a little bit of a mess. Alright, so the point of Bhang. Bhang is an ancient drink that contains cannabis, main ingredient, and it's a tea with a lot of very, very medicinal herbs in it. These specific herbs that I used kind of went along with, like, I'm sure the recipe's been, you know, whatever you got to put in it, spice-wise. At the time, I happen to have lots of good herbs and spices. But we're going to have to do a little transfer here. Okay? Okay. We won't be saving these because we can't. Because it's just going to cut the whole video short, and I don't know how my camera is with that stuff. So. Alright. Part 2. Bam. Already made ganja butter. Whoa. Almost dropped it. Alright, so what we're gonna do, because this, it looks like to me in all the recipes I've found that it's creamy. There, see, I saved some of the flex. So what we're gonna do now is take some milk, right? And we're gonna pour it over. Because the milk should help to keep the cannabinoids more in the whole liquid rather than only floating on top, as like if we were to just put, you know, the cannabis. In the recipe it says to cook the cannabis in there for 10 minutes, but we already have decarbed, really banging ass canna coconut butter that I make with coconut butter and flour, never any trim, barely, and not even sugar trim. I always do I not? Man behind the camera.
Yes. All bud.
Always. I feel like any other way is cheating. So, Basically, what the milk's gonna do is it's gonna help to keep the oil more consistent throughout the tea, which is called Bhang. It's Bhang, and it's gonna be banging.
Bang.
You can whisk it up a little bit, smell that cannabis, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna, because that was a good dose that I put in there. Like, I don't know, it's enough for me and Bill. And give it a little whisking and dump it into it. Should we share a jar, or do you wanna?
You could share. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter to me. It might cool off quicker if you put it in separate.
Alright. It smells so good. It smells like really banging.
Bang!
Bong. Straight up. Look at the consistency. You know, it's mixed in there. That's good. You want that milkiness. Because milk has fat in it, and in order for cannabinoids, we're also going to add some honey to this, but the cannabinoids need either a fat or a... Fuck, you wasted a little bit. That's for my brother. My fallen brother. Not fallen. Trying to make them even.
Looks good.
Looks perfect to me. Thanks. If I had a straw, I would just slurp it right up. That's how good it's going to be. I'm going to do it. Hold on, we need more.
Okay, where's the finished product?
Alright. Wait.
Oh, we're going to add some honey?
We're going to add some honey, but I'm going to take a sip without it.
Bang!
Oh my god, dude. Bang. Peace out.